Later on, when you look at the LMI side, you will find that you've done a lot of tests to substantiate these ideas. But this is the idea in a nutshell. Okay? The second point to understand is the universe is in a state of entropy. Entropy means everything is running down. Okay? So normally we are all slowly dying. In order for you to be alive, you have to be naturally negatively entropic. Okay? Negatively entropic means you don't fall down, you maintain organization. So this card increases your negative entropy. It slows down the rate at which you fall apart faster. Okay? And again, we have done tests to demonstrate that. Right? That's the theory behind it. As Stoff said, I can spend 15 hours talking about it, but I'll just give it to you in 3 lines. There's an 80-page book summary in the site, and I think in another month or so you have a 350-page book that talks about all these ideas. Alright? Second point is, right now, when you step into a room like this, you're exposed to over at least 100 different toxins that will accelerate your aging. Chemicals. You're also being exposed to enormous radiation hazards around you. Okay, you need to protect yourself. Now, in my laboratory, in my clinic, we have about half a million worth of equipment that assesses all of this. Today I'm going to show you a test that when we use your innate testing mechanisms to tell you whether your energy systems are optimal or suboptimal. Okay, we call this muscle testing. When we muscle test, we are not using brute force, we are not doing wrestling. We are checking to see whether the different parts of you are aligned optimally or suboptimally. So when your energy system is optimal, you will have optimal strength. When your energy system becomes suboptimal, your strength weakens. Okay, so that's what we're going for. Optimal function or suboptimal function. So right now, the easiest way to start off is to talk about handphones and radiation. Okay, so this one does not have the radiation device. So can I have a volunteer who's got a card, who's got a handphone with a radiation device? I'm going to show you the difference. You got a radiation device, right? Okay, don't take it out, leave it there. Yeah, right, come. Just leave it here, take out your watch. So the first assessment is to show you what happens. First, I'm going to make sure that Raymond is testable. So I'm going to do some testing. All these are tests to make sure that a person is testable. When you see muscle testing being done and people don't do these tests, the testing results are not accurate. Okay? Now we know that this is a stable testing system. Okay? So first I'm going to use, this is a normal device with no handphone, radiation, anti-radiation devices, and you see what it does. And you're going to see a weakened name, so I'm just going to use one finger to hold, and it goes weak. This device, protected, right? Okay, if it's protected, the radiation doesn't affect it. Okay, so that's one. So you carry this device. Let me tell you this, you carry it around here. Guess what, guys? You are frying something. Okay? One, we have an increasing incidence of lower rates of babies. And one of them for the guys is this one. Okay? So if you protect yourself from this, you're really doing wonderful things for yourself. So this is, he's protected. Okay? Now I want to show you what happens if, can I have 2 people? Two people, if you've got your cards or your any protective devices, I want you to put it on the table, on your chairs, and come up here because I want to show you what happens when he's protected. He's using the handphone and what happens to people in the vicinity. Yeah, you've got no devices protecting you, right? Okay.
should also take off his watch.
Yeah, yeah. You want to make sure that nothing is affecting you, and then you can see the effect. You don't have any car keys, no car keys, handphones. Okay? Okay, you got nothing, huh? Okay. Just come up here, please. And hold on these sides. Okay? Just going to make sure that you're stable and testable, huh? Okay, hold the hand up. Resist. Resist. Okay. Tongue up to the right, please. No, not your face, tongue. Left. Okay, put your hands up this way and straighten your hands up. That's it. That's it. Okay, that's the one part. That's right. Relax. Relax. Go. This is. Tuck up to the right. No, your tuck. Left. Hands up this way. Okay, straighten. Okay, fine. Okay. Use your device. Call somebody.
Call somebody.
Yeah, call anybody.
Over here. So it doesn't matter. You don't have to pick up. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I call you.
Okay, you call me. Okay. So I want to show you what happens if you're using a device that's not protected. You're in trouble, right? So I test him. He's protected. I test this gentleman, and he's not protected. I test this gentleman. He's not protected. Now see what happens. He's still getting it. He's protected. Okay, so that one protects you. But anybody in the environment is affected unless you're protected wearing something like this. Unless you're protected wearing a gold card or something else. Right? Okay. Thank you. So, what the devices do is they protect you, they protect the energy field. Now, the last part is, I want to give you a simple metaphor when you think about this. This is a handphone. This is a communication device that is powered by a battery, right? I want you to think of this as an electronic device that is powered by a human energy field. Okay? So it's powered by a human energy field, and once you power it up, which is the exercise I told you of getting used to it, it will in turn organizes the fields of water in your body so you have optimal function. Okay? When you have optimal function, you have optimal brain function, gut function, detox function, cellular communication, and when you have your optimal cellular communication, you optimize the natural functions of your body. Okay? I want to show you one last function. So, can I have the gentleman come up? Come up. You take off all your stuff. Sorry.
Your handphone.
I want to show you one more property of this. In my clinic, we have devices that measure people and tell you what's wrong. I'm going to do a very quick assessment. Hold. Okay. You don't tell me what's wrong with you, okay? Hold. Resist. Okay. Okay, so if I look at him, there's a weakness in the neck. I want to show you what happens. So it optimizes cellular function. Okay, this is self-healing mechanism.